Good morning, people. How's it going? How is it going? Right, it is the next day. Wait, it is Monday. It is Monday. And, you know, I was half tempted to do my brakes, but I won't do them tomorrow. I'm not entirely sure. I might just have a lazy day today. Just been a bit non-stop. I was meant to do a job this morning, but we've postponed it to Wednesday when you can get some more bits, and we'll do that, and yeah, all sorts of stuff. But I think there was the van life chill meet or something that was going on about an hour from here at the same place went to South Central meet, but I didn't go. But I know a few people are coming back down here. I think Max is coming down here. I think a few other people from there are coming down. Asa has been here for the last couple of days. He's now off. I've got Phil's Adventures parked in front of me. I've still got Travelling Cat in a van parked opposite me there, and just some more people are coming. So hopefully, you know, get a little group together. It'd be nice, wouldn't it? We can do some bits and bobs. But yeah, we'll see what today brings. We'll see what today brings. The high voltage one.
How would you follow me?
I'm sorry if you've seen that. I bet that was a bit vile, that was. I'm going to zoom in on that. Don't get frisky with your van. Oh, a box of electrics.
I know, yeah. How good's that for electrics?
Pretty boy.
Banzo!
No.
That's it.
Turn the lights on.
He can't help himself. Can't help himself.
Joe's gonna fix my van now.
Your lights are on.
Yeah, I know they are.
You're not going to fix your van. We're not getting pulled into that.
You're here. Fix my diesel leak though.
You fixed your diesel leak.
Yeah, just have a look at that.
You parked in the stinging nettles, man.
Hey?
So you parked in the stinging nettles.
Ah, shit.
Oh, wobble, wobble. All the bearings have fell out.
Hey?
So all your bearings have fell out.
Is that what's happening?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fuck it.
Oh, it's too late, it's out now.
Right. And today's agenda is refresh the front brakes. I couldn't be asked to do this in time in a minute, but I'm like, fuck it, it needs to be done. It needs to be done. So I've got a rebuild kit for the sliders and the boots and the caps and all sorts of stuff. So we're going to take my front brakes apart again. Oh, again. I just had one seized the other day, and I know it's not going to get any better unless I do it. So let's just get it done. It's done then, isn't it? Do you know what I mean? So let's get some dirty clothes on and get throwing some of this together. Woo. Now you can see what I've got here is these sliders here, look. See, they're sticky. That one's probably alright, that one not. But the boot is all split. So it's going to let water in. And of course there's nothing really much you can do about these when they get fucked. You kind of just got to replace them, but push that one out, you'll see what I mean. Now I've had this one off recently and greased it all up, but you see how pitted it is. That's a slider, and the boot is all battered and split, and kind of wish I'd have got the clip for the caliper on the back now, but hopefully I can just push that in afterwards. Should have been something on my list. Oh well. Alright, there's one. Well, that's one side done. I just need to do the other side now, and then give that a lick of paint too. Now, and obviously I'm not taking the whole caliper off and painting it because there's no point. Let's be honest, it's not a show van. You just can just see it through the wheel, and I could see it through the wheel. No one else will notice it, but I will. So it looks pretty in red. My favourite colour is red if you didn't know. But yes, I'm going to have a brew and a coffee. Phil's got the kettle on. Phil's Adventures. Phil's Adventures. Max Van Life down there. He's doing his brakes. I'm just helping him do his, well, I say helping him do his brakes. Supervising, right? He's doing them. Whenever he gets stuck, gives me a shout. I'll go over and go, yo, this is what you need to do. So I've got to make him a brake line in a minute because fitting on the back of the cylinder on the back rounded off. So yeah, it's one pipe that he hasn't replaced. So we might as well just replace it while we're here. And I've got the flaring tool. So yeah, we'll get that done. And then he'll have some nice brakes, and then I'll have some nice brakes in the front. You know, we'll have a bit of a brake day. Having a nice break. But yeah, he's got a UJ joint gone on the back of that as well, on the prop. So I think I'm going to linger around here until he gets the parts and try and have him do that. And see how we get on. But fucking fly, get off my head, you bastard. I wasn't going to film this side because I already did the other side, so I'm not going to bore you doing the same thing. But now I've just took this side apart, I've just realised that the slider is now seized in here. So it's a good job I did take this side apart. I mean, the pads weren't wearing funny yet, but obviously I think it was at a point where if it got any further, it would have just got stuck anyway. So now I've got the fun game of trying to get this out. I've just tried hitting it with a punch in the bottom of there to try and get it out. It's moved slightly, but I think I'm going to have to get the heat gun out and, well, the fire, and get it really hot. And hopefully it should just press out, but nothing's ever straightforward, is it? Is it?
No.
Nothing's ever straightforward, does it, Phil?
Never. When you think it's going to be an easy job, it takes hours.
What's that? What is that one? Was it when you think it's going to be a 30-minute job?
It takes about 3 hours.
It takes 8 hours.
Something like that, yeah. I'll just do this quick.
That picture of that guy that's just pressed on the floor. Like, fuck's sake. Oh. Let's try not to burn myself either, eh? It's seized! I mean, we're kind of getting there.
Happy.
Whew, there we go. We got it out. But Mr. Big Hands here hold it for me.
Oh, I only held the back end of it. You're the one that hammered it.
But no, that's fucking hot, that is. Sand that out, rebuild it, because that one's alright. So just got to replace that one. So, and then we'll put it back together. I won't bore you with that bit, but yeah, you saw what fucking struggles we had with that bit. Win-win. Good morning, people. Right, today, I don't know how much I'm going to film off today, because I've got quite a busy day. But I've got like a, oh, what it's called, is it a Talbot? What if it was a Talbot or a little Fiat? Petrol, an old school petrol camper van anyway, put it that way. 4 cylinder, where he wants me to do rocker cover gasket, sump gasket, starter motor, core plug, spark plugs, distributor cap, arm, oh yeah, the list goes on. So it's going to be a busy day, so I'm not sure how much I'm going to film with this, so please bear that in mind. Might film some bits, but obviously if the customer's about, I don't really tend to film a lot when the kettle's on, sorry. Yeah, I don't tend to film a lot when the customer's about. I don't mean that in a rude way, I just mean that as in I don't feel comfortable in filming, so yeah. Oh, I can hear everybody chatting outside, so let's make this brew. And I'm just going to say hello to everyone. This job ain't coming here till about 1 o'clock, so yeah, I've got a little bit of time, so let's enjoy the morning of sunshine. Look, ooh, let's get a bit of a breeze in here. Well, with a coffee in hand, let's go see who's out. I can hear some people talking, so I assume Max is probably out, because Max, if you're watching this, Max usually gets up at like 5 in the morning. Weirdo. No joking. Sunshine.
They're good, they work.
How are we, happy campers? So with today's job turning up, we've got a lovely job on this little old Fiat. Now, I had a rocker cover gasket, starter motor, points, distributor cap. But yeah, it went smoothly, and let's be honest, it was a pleasure to work on. You know, it's nice to work on something old school with, you know, old school ways, no electrical wizardry. So if you're watching this, buddy, nice one to meet you. Thanks for the work, much appreciated. But with that all done, it was time to start heading north. I had a little get together with my family. No, I haven't played rounders in a long time, but let's be honest, it brings back so many memories. But yeah, what an amazing time with family. It's always good to catch up with them. Probably once or twice a year we catch up on a little campsite and get together. But all in all, amazing weekend. Now, I'll leave that one there. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to keep it real, keep it safe, keep it true, and I'll see you lot in the next one. Ta-da.